Welcome to another video. Let's walk through this question on the board. Functions f and g are defined by, we have f of x. Okay, f of x is x plus 1, defined for all real values of x. And g of x is given to be x squared minus 3, defined for all real values of x. So question A is for us to show that the composite function fg of x plus the composite function g of f of x is equals to 2x squared plus 2x minus 4. And the second question is, hence solve the equation. The sum of the two composite functions, that is what we have here, when it is equals to 0. What are the two possible values of x? All right, let's find out. So we are given f of x equals to x plus 1, okay, defined for all real values of x. And also we are given g of x equals to x squared minus 3, defined for all real values of x. So to write an expression for, that is to write an expression for the sum of these two composite functions. So the first thing is, I'm going to write the expression for, I'll first write the expression for composite function fg of x. And this is when we have, we put g of x into f of x. That will be, this is going to be g of x plus 1. So which means the composite function fg of x will be equals to x squared minus 3, that is x in this case, then plus 1. So this will be, so that we can have the composite function fg of x to be equals to minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So the expression for the composite function fg of x is x squared minus 2. Then also for gf of x, okay, the composite function gf of x, this is when we put f of x into g of x, and that will be, we're going to have f of x raised to the power of 2, because we have g of x to be equals to x squared minus 3. So which means x, we're going to substitute f of x for x in g of x, okay? So that this will be f of x raised to the power of 2 minus 3. And then this will be f of x is x plus 1, then raise it to the power of 2, then minus 3, okay? So if I expand this, this will be x squared plus 2x plus 1, okay, plus 1 minus 3. And this will be x squared plus 2x minus 2, because 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So this is the expression for the composite function gf of x. So now to show that the sum of these two functions, okay, the sum of these two composite expression for the two composite function is equals to this. Let's find out. So it means that for the sum of the composite function fg of x, okay, and g of f of x, that's g of x, gf of x, okay, we're going to have the first one, which is x squared minus 2, then plus x squared plus 2x minus 2. This is the expression for gf of x, okay? So x squared plus x squared, this will be x squared, 2x squared, okay, 2x squared, then plus 2x minus 2, negative 2 minus 2, this will be minus 4. So that the sum of the composite function fg of x plus gf of x is equals to 2x squared plus 2x minus 4. So this is the expression for, this is the expression for the sum of these two composite functions, which is exactly what we are asked to show. And we can see that the left hand side is equals to the right hand side, okay? Left hand side is equals to the right hand side, okay? That's for this. This is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Now B, hence solve the equation, the sum, now the expression we got here, now when we set this equals to 0. What will be the two possible values of x? So to solve the equation, we have the composite function f g of x, g f of x equals to 0. We know that the expression for f, the sum of the two composite functions is 2x squared plus 2x minus 4. So we have that to be equals to 0. So first, let me divide through this equation by 2 because 2 is a common factor. So 2x squared divided by 2, this will be x squared, plus 2x divided by 2, this will be 1x. Then minus 4 divided by 2, this will be minus 2. Okay, that will be minus 2. So in this case, to solve for the value of x, okay, now can we factorize this? The question is, yeah, it's possible. So we have x squared, this will be x squared plus 2x minus x, then minus 2 equals to 0. See, this is when we use factorization by splitting the middle term. So in this case, now I'm going to divide x squared plus 2x by x. So x squared divided by x, that will be x, plus 2x divided by x, that will be plus 2, then minus negative 1 into x plus 2 equals to 0. So that x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 will be equals to 0. And then we have x minus 1 to be equals to 0, or x plus 2 equals to 0. So that x will be equals to 1, okay, or x equals to minus 2. So these are the two values of x which satisfies this equation. That is the equation that after we got the expression for the sum of the two composite functions, okay, which is 2x squared plus 2x minus 4. Then when it is equals to 0, the two possible values of x are x equals to 1 or x equals to minus 2. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye-bye.